Video amta khudol tawjage madudi sahi nauribi nupi masa ama namduna famlalaga mirol hallamba nupa phare sahi nauribi nupi ama famlana khiba thawdo ama dagi mirol oina thiba khangdana lairakhiba rap ki accused ama Imphal West Women Police na phagat pangam khre loinana Special Judge Proxo Imphal West ki court na December 13 fawa police custody da numit mapani gi remand pikre hairibi accused adudi urup Salan from Laikai de Laiba MD Nezamuddin gi masanupa MD Sharif Sahi Kungamangani Mahak Ngarang Imphal West Women Police ki officer in charge Inspector Andrew Mitana Lusingba Police Team Amana Kwerambal Kaitil dagi fagat khibane Maha ukhul dagi sahi nauribi nupi masa ama famlana bagi case amaga mari lainana police na fana na batana duna lakhibane hairiba accused adu ngasi Special Judge Proxo Imphal West ki court puthokhi loinana case adu gi ayo na makhata investigation chathana police custody da remand pina na pre tawkhe case adugi ayona ayo app gi kuthang da thamlakhiba submission aduna pallibadi hairiba thawdo adugi minor victim masana one top center sandel gi administrator da thawdo aduga mari lainana Accused aduna nagama palgi hotel amada sexual assault athabadagi mirole haina complaint ama tharakhi hairiba complaint aduga mari lainana women police station sandel na case ama register tawki amasum Imphal West Women Police Station da transfer tarok laba matungda proxo eki section taruk ki makara case ama register tawki bene investigation adugi manungda thawdo adu thokkiba thangkal bazar da laibo hotel amada investigation athabadagi co accused oiriba M Arifulai Fusu fakat pagaloina na December mari fawa police custody da remand pikhi maki police custody gi matam aduda investigation chathabadagi haukiba sahi asigi February gi March main accused oiriba MD Nawaz Sharifna mahakna thabak tawriba hotel aduda laktuna minor victim aduga ahing ama lekhi makha taba case adugi investigation da December amada police team amana accused adugi mayumda satuna fana bu honakhi adum oinamak faba ngamdana lakhibani adubu police ki akhanaba team amana mahak Khwairambal Kaithil number 3 digi fakat pangam khibane